The name of the Father, Son, of the Holy Spirit.
Okay, thank you, Beatrice Peña. Hindi nagmo-moving yung camera mo, webcam mo. Anyway, thank you. Si Dian, wala rin camera. Napapasok lang, Erica. So, later, I will screenshot somewhere. Surprise ko lang yung screenshot for attendance. So, wag ko lang mawawala. We need to monitor din attendance. Even if it's 30% lang, baka may makalusot pa rin estudyante. So, 30% of the actual synchronous class. And also, I'm using now my desktop, so I have bigger screen to see you all. Okay. I'll start sharing the screen. Okay na? Before that, kamusta yung submission niyo for the second plate? Did you manage to submit na ba all?
Yes po.
Yes
Okay,
po,
good.
sir.
Yes po, sir.
Okay, good. Sige. Okay. So those are rough studies na, pero graded na yon yung rough studies niyo yun. But in calculation, we need to adjust depending on you. Kung satisfied na kayo sa design nyo, you can keep your old design and just put the wirings. No? And again nga, our topic for today, plate number 3 for laboratory. Kanina, akala ko lecture. And then yung time I posted 5 o'clock, so I erased. Wala kasi kanina student, yung pala ako mali. So tomorrow pala baligtad ang setup pa. So tomorrow lecture. So today I will discuss the plate na. But posting will be after this meeting, or sige, I will post the instruction after this our synchronous class. Okay, I'll start sharing that screen. Tomorrow, guys, very important yung yung lecture. You cannot do the calculation without attending tomorrow. Anyway, it's recorded naman, bahala kayo. And basta keep track of your attendance 30% maliit na yun, masyado maliit na yun, and then baka mas mablay pa kayo. Okay, I'll start sharing my screen na. Okay, can you confirm if you can see my screen? Wala pa ba?
Wala pa po, sir.
Wala pa. Medyo slow din ang Google. Ayan. Okay. Meron na. Ano na sa akin eh. Can you now see?
Okay na po, sir.
Okay, thank you po. So we will go to... Medyo malaki lang ang screen ko. Nakatingala ako, guys. Sorry kasi yung bigger screen nandun sa taas. Guys, in architecture, in my offices, uso ngayon kasi is dual screen sa lahat ng offices. Dual or triple pa iba, depende sa setup. But usually, double talaga, especially if you're doing 3D. One is you're looking at 3D, yung isa is 2D drawing. So, kaya dalawa lagi screen. Sa bahay, mura na naman ng TV, ang monitors ng TV. Sobrang mura ng TV ngayon. So you need to buy only yung video cards na maayos-ayos. Video card, computer video card. May dual monitor siya. So today is first semester and DT3. I'll check the JTR first. Okay, we start with JTR. So roughly, I discussed before roughly yung schedule of loads. So again, the reason why I asked you to do the lighting first and the power first because our calculation will be based on those rough layout study. It's like architecture din. You have a schematic diagram, mga concept. So at least meron na kayo. Then you now start with grouping. Grouping first is the lighting. So on this table, you can do this one in Excel. I think it's better in Excel, mas mabilis ang editing. Or directly on the drawing because you need to submit on the finals, part of the finals plate. And guys, very important ang electrical again, ha. So on this table, we will concentrate first on the until where? Until here. From current input ampere, current in ampere. No. Meaning current yung flow of electricity in ampere. Ampere is the measurement, amps. Parang in tubig is what? Cubic meter. Yun ba in Manila water they use cubic meter. But in electricity current is measured in amperes. But syempre, Meralco is charging us for the watts that we use. Again, yung current or yung ampere is yung volume or yung rate of flow of electricity or inside the wires. No? So the bigger the amperes, the more electricity that is required. So say this one. So you will do a table until this one lang muna. For the meantime, until current in amperes. Ano? Yung CB rating next time. Okay? So for circuit number 1, so first column will be circuit numbers. So from 1 to the maximum that you can you can design. Now, hindi ko po alam yung count ng I haven't count yet the three-story mansion. So, but for this JTR drawings, I had maximum I made was 19 plus 1 spare. So in my panel box, I have 19 circuit breakers, CB. Circuit breakers, guys, is parang fuse for safety. In case that the circuit, you have 2 wires. Remember, you have negative, positive, and then ground, 3 wires. So in case the wires was connected, maybe the rats inside the house destroyed the insulation material of the wires, and they connected. No, that is short-circuited. If the positive and negative pole or your plug accidentally touch each other, yung plug, minsan there's cases like that. So there will be short circuit. The purpose of CB, so he can sense that there's a circuit breaker. There's a short circuit that happened on one plug, on one area. So that circuit breaker will trip the power because it's abnormal. No, there's an abnormal situation because it's not based on the calculation. I'll show you again. Okay, for circuit number 1, I assume 11 lighting outlet. 11. So one lighting outlet is 100 watts. Because mura na, especially now, LED, we're using LED. So 100 is enough. So in my calculation, 11 lighting outlet is equivalent to this one. 1,100 watts ang assume ko. Na. So this is lighting outlet number 1. Where's number 1? There, I think this one, 1. Starting with this one, 1. So 1 started with wall outlet, 1, 2, 3. Is it correct? That's why, guys, I wanted you to separate. If you combine outlet, power, and lighting, magkulong basahin. It's very difficult. That's why I asked you to separate. So lighting outlet 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay? Do you follow, guys? Can you see? So circuit number 1 has 11 outlet, yung wall, exterior light, wall lights sa labas. So 2, 1, 2, and entrance porch, yung canopy. So 3, and yung car porch or garage, you have 2. Then this one sa music room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 nga lights. You follow? Nakita nyo, guys, ano? So it depends on you. Paano yung grouping nyo? How do you want to group yung lighting? It depends on you. Kaya there's no point copying. Everyone has a separate idea. Wala akong makikitang cheating dyan. Very easy to compare. Kilala nyo naman na mag-check. Mabusisit kaya matagal ang mag-grade. No? And there's no reason naman to check talaga eh. You can design your own. Kanya-kanya tayong diskarte. Again, the word is diskarte. What is the English term of diskarte? Irfan, I'm sorry. Diskarte is your... How do you translate diskarte in English, guys? Ano ba translation? Can
Tactics.
somebody... Diskarte is?
Tactics.
Medyo malabo.
Why, sir?
Again, sorry,
Tactical.
Tactical, yes, tactics. Tama, it's like that, tactical, or you're street smart, no? It's your way of doing things properly, smart, ganon. Diskarte. You understand, Irfan? So my grading system is based on how you approach the problem. So there's no really correct way. Our idea is for you to understand. So my diskarte here is I combine yung exterior lights at the facade, including garage, plus music room. No? So 11 lights in total. And switches, number of switches, you can also count the number of switches. S3 meaning you have 3 gang switch. S1 if you have 1 gang. Alam niyo yung gang? If you only have 1 button or toggle switch, that is S1 or single gang, 1 gang. And then if you have S2, you have 2 toggle switch. Or we call it 2 gang switch. Then 3 is you have 3 gang. So for circuit number 1, you have 2 S3. Let's see. You have to count the S3. Circuit number 1. This is circuit number 1. So this is 1 switch. So 3. What D, E, F. What is D, E, F? D is EF. I'll zoom again to see clearly. So this is the first. So you have 2 nga. This is the one, DEF. DEF is, F is this one, wall lights. Then E is yung entrance porch or canopy. Where is D? Cannot find the D. D is the car garage. You get how to count the switches. And yung second gang 3 is ABC. This one, music room. So yung A, he will switch the center light, one toggle switch. Then yung B, all for yung merong dimmer. I think B is dimmer, with dimmers. Then C is yung outside. Okay? Can you follow, guys? Clear? Hello? Clear? Okay po tayo?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, ha? So, yun nga, you need to label and put the wires. Siguro for now, baka matagal lang kayo if pagsasabay natin na power. So, we do the, lighting calculation. Kasi lighting sa calculation includes the switches. Then you need to put the wires. Again, different ang wire, ha? Yung 4 switches, different line type. And then for power, iba rin ang line type ng power. Ng power na lighting, ha? Or can you manage to combine power and lighting calculation? Kaya nyo ba? In 1 week? Baka magulat.
Hindi po.
Ha? Hindi kaya?
No, sir.
Isa-isa lang muna,
Okay,
sir.
sige. Okay. Tama. Kasi last night, guys, nagulat yung HOA sa akin. So, hindi ko naman, you need to say what you, you need to, remind me na medyo sobra ang requirements. Ha? Okay, kasi hindi ko matansya yung schedule nyo, ha? Okay lang tayo dyan. So, lighting muna. Okay, good. Okay, magagalit sa akin. Hindi ko rin tatsyado. You have to tell me. Ha? Pati sa yung ibang section, pakisabi naman, huwag magagalit sa akin. Kung nagugulat, sabihin lang, huwag niyo magsishit, ha? Aaron ba yun? Tumawa siya, no? Never say bad words, ha? Bata pa kayo. Iwasan niyo lang. Problema sa Duterte, marami na problema yun, eh. Alam niyo, guys, kung yung mga nagmumuray, malalakad problema. Kayo is you're too young to say bad words, no? Wala pa naman ganong mabigat na problema. Duterte talaga okay, ang dami niyang problema. Yung client waterfront, imagine pinagmumura ko sa opisina niya, kabago-bago ko. 'Di ba? I'll show you the next time I'll show you tomorrow lecture. Maybe nasa rooftop ako. I'll show you yung conversation namin ng client, ha? Tingnan mo. Nahiya siya sa akin, hindi napahiya siya. Okay, Aaron, mo iwasan mo magmura, ha? Ako napamumura ako pa sa driving. Talaga, ang hirap ng problema ng driving. Lalo na kanina, ng motor. Papakamatay motor, kasalanan ko pa. Okay, nagwala tuloy ako. Okay, circuit number 1, kabisado na na S3, 2. And then wattage is times 100, so 11,000. 1,100. Then volts is given na to 220 volts or 240 volts. Ano lang yan, it's the same. 240 or 220 is almost the same. And then current flow is, this is the calculation, guys. Okay, hold on, wait. Bukas yan eh. It's tomorrow eh. Okay, so hanggang dito lang. No need to compute this one, current in amps. So what you will do is just organize the lighting layout and count the switches. Count the CB, circuit breaker. Oo nga pala guys, tama. It's 3 floors, ano? But yung typical yung second and third. So, tama, we need to separate, mabigat ang trabaho. Until this point lang. Hanggang switches lang. This one, load. Hanggang load watts lang, this one. Okay, kaya na to, no? Or volts. Given na yung volts, eh. It's automatic na to. Until volts lang. Ha? Okay, we try circuit number 2. Again, it's lighting lang. Separate, guys, ha? Kapag lighting, it's lighting. Kasi nasa ibabaw siya, it's above. So, hindi natin pwede combine with outlet. And also, yung outlet, malakas ang demand sa kuryente. It's power, syempre. So, you need to put extension minsan. Diba? octopus connection. Those are very, very dangerous. Octopus connection. But actually, the CB will protect you. Say you overloaded na yung line mo. Again, yun nga, I forgot. So we assume 11 here, no? Circuit, ano? And then, dito, somewhere here, say this one, pinasukan ng tubig or nabasa yung wires and you had a short circuit. So yung computation mo here, 11 1100 watts will increase, suddenly increase because there's a short circuit. Nag-join yung two wires. May burning na. So that's why the CB will, or the fuse will cut. Before, fuse ang ginagamit. But yung fuse is disposable. Parang filament siya eh. So napuputol. Kapag nasunog, kasi overloaded yung ano mo, yung circuit number 1, nag-overload, siyempre masusunog is yung fuse. But now yung CB is very hindi siya, it's not disposable. It will trip lang, temporarily trip off yung circuit. I-off niya, lahat ng nandito, yung nasa circuit number 1, to turn off niya. Pero in your living room, may ilaw ka. In your dining room, may ilaw ka. In your kitchen, may ilaw ka pa rin. All the rest of the house, may ilaw. And may power. Except for this one, circuit number 1. Nag-trip. No? Okay, I'll show you what is itsura ng circuit breaker. Now, alam niyo yung circuit breaker, guys? Nakakita na ba kayo nun? Google nyo, circuit breaker. You can always Google. Tomorrow, I'll discuss that one. I'll just, okay, ito na, papakita ko na. Okay, this one. These are the circuit breakers, yung modern day. So this one is the cabinet, usually located in the service area or storage room na medyo safe, walang lamang iba kundi siya lang. Spare room or kitchen cabinet. So sa taas, on the topmost is the main circuit breaker, no? And here divided. So you have two rows. This is one. This is alternate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ganon, no? So there's a number here. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, so once nag-trip yung circuit number 1, say this one nga. This one nag-trip number 1. I'll zoom. May zoom ba dito? Can you see, guys? Okay, you just push the toggle. I-push on the opposite side, and then return. Iilaw na ulit yung bahay nyo. Yung circuit will be back to normal. You follow, guys? Hold on, I'll just...
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'll open. Okay. Save as, para pwede kong i-zoom. Okay, hindi ko may zoom eh. Anyway, this with here. It's bigger. So this switch, this is 20 amperes. Nakasulat dito. 20 amps lang yung allowed niya. Now, kapag nag-short circuit, meaning, nag-over siya sa 20 amperes. That's why, it will, inside, there's a switch. He will trip off. Turn off or trip. The term is trip. Parang trip to Jerusalem. Okay, so what you will do is you will just turn off, push this toggle down, and then push back to on. It will be back to normal. Hindi masyado nasisira to. Okay, guys, yun ha. It's part of the exam guys ha. Okay, so on off. That's why yung fuse, hindi na masyadong gamitin yung fuse. Nung bata pa ako noon. Actually, in squatter area, meron pang ganon. Okay. I'll show you the fuse. Yung old system. Fuse. Actually, in appliances, you have this fuse. Ito, fuse sa appliances. We still use this one. Once there's a short circuit, this will burn and cut the connection. And then dispose na. Tapo na siya. In appliances, you still have this one. In cars, you still have this one. And in electronic appliance, meron yan. But before in the house, ganito itsura niya. In the squatter area, we cannot afford. This is cheaper to buy. So inside, kasi one-time use. Parang Unipen. It's like a Unipen. Once consumed, you throw away. And then again, take note, may ampere, ano siya, ampere, 5 ampere, 3 ampere, 13 amperes. Okay? Again, it will be part of the exam. Ha? May review tayo, guys. Okay, going back. So based on here, my computation, tomorrow, lecture this one. Current ampere is 5.00. Saka ayaw biglayin kayo, ang dami ko computin. We just rearrange your organization lang muna. So 5 amperes. So once, for 5 amperes, this is the rating. I need to buy, next time na ito, magulang kayo. Next time na to. So until here lang, ang computation niya until here. Let's try. I have a calculator here in my PC. Sige na nga, turo ko lang sa inyo. Tomorrow maybe, work lang. Where is my calculator? Here. Okay, let's try to compute. Ayun nga. Hold on. Ayun nga. So, ganun nga guys. Amperes. So, you get, watts divided by volts. It's indicated here. Okay? Tomorrow you'll get that one. Volt ampere, or yung watts. Volt ampere is, yung watts guys is ampere times the volt. Diba? That is the volt. The watts. Okay, this one, volt ampere. So this is watts. Watts, this one. This is the watt. So my budget for the lighting is 100 watts per lighting outlet. So 100 times 11 is 1100. Okay. And then below is divided by volt 220, which is 220. So you get 5.0. Okay. This one. This is overall. Yung don't be confused, this is overall. Lahat-lahat siya. This one, total, grand total, 154. But individual is 5 here. For number 1. Okay guys, madali lang. It's lang talaga. Nagugulat lang. Minsan, it's very easy, ha? Okay lang, guys? You follow?
Yes po.
Yes, sir.
So for this one, 5 amperes, I need to get a CB rating or yung circuit breaker. What do I do? Okay, so I know already I need 5 amperes, 5.0 amperes. So I can now decide what to buy. 20, this is 20. So I just buy yung previous kanina. Tomorrow we will discuss that further. Where is that one? Kanina may Google ako. Nasaan na yun? Nawala na yung Google ko. I Google again. circuit breaker. Okay, so I need to get this one, 20, this one. No? For circuit number 1, ito siya. But for others, I might need 30 amperes. So for the lighting, I think this is good, 20 amperes. This is cheaper. The higher the rating here, syempre, the more expensive. So yung main, probably the main, this one is usually 100, this one. This is very expensive. No? Yung 20 is cheaper for the lighting, and then outlet is around 30 to 40 yan. Okay? Let's see kung saan yung malalaki. 40, this one is 40, this is for the air conditioning. Okay? Actually guys, for the power, enough na rin siguro yung 20. Oh. I did not use higher. I only use, how many? 2 types lang. Air conditioning lang, yung mga higher range, and what else? Yung AC nga, AC and ACU, AC and pumps. Okay, so I use only 2. But for my main, I think I use this one, 150 amperes, 154. So I need to buy at least 150 or 200. I cannot buy yung 100 for this house. Okay, it should be 150 or 160 or 180 or 200. Okay. Yung wirings, and then for every computation here, tomorrow I'll give this one. But usually, guys, we only use 3.5. In standard, for the lighting and the powers, we only use 3.5 and 5.5 for the powers. Ano? Yes, 3.5 din. 5.5 for the air conditioning, the size, yung diameter of the copper wire. 5.5. Then 3.5 is for the lighting, yung mga small power lang, mga ano lang. This one is for air conditioning, 5.5 AC. What else? Okay, yun nga, 5.5 lang. Two sizes lang, guys. 3.5 for the lightings and power, and for those special equipment, yung high load is 5.5 na. And then my main, what did I use for my main? For the main wire, yung from Meralco to my circuit breaker, I use 50 mm. This one, 14 mm, guys. I'll check this one again tomorrow, And it's embedded on the 50 mm rigid steel conduit, not plastic. Outside, we use pipes, galvanized pipes, rigid steel conduits. Now, mas matibay ito because it's outside and it's underground. Kaya we need a more durable material. Yung plastic is for the inside house. And for the ceiling and walls, pwede na yun. PVC. Okay, this one. Lighting is PVC. So the wires is inside the conduits, the pipes for protection, additional protection. Kasi yung wire is only insulated. Yung plastic na insulated siya. Then you need second protection, yung pipes. Either PVC pipes, flexible, or yung straight. Or you can use yung steel na, galvanized steel, rigid steel conduits. TW, this is the type of wire, thermal wire. I think I'll check again. Lecture, this will be part of the lecture. The thermal heat. Thermal wire, then thermal heat wire. I'll check again. I forgot. Tomorrow's lecture, guys. Sorry. Okay, but anyway, you for the plate number 3, you'll not do this part. Okay, until current amperes lang. Okay, pwede na to. Actually, kaya na rin eh. If you can, lighting lang naman guys eh. Sige, until dito na. Or wala mo ng wires. CB rating, kaya na rin, di ba? I explained already, CB rating. Kaya na ba? Until this point, yung size of wire, type of wire, wag mo na. This is given, AF is given, P is given na rin, phase 2. AT is also given na rin kasi yung 40 is for yung air conditioning, range, water pumps, and ACU. So until this point, kaya nyo. For lighting lang. Okay, I hope I'm clear. Guys, any question so far? Let's try another example. Circuit number 2. Circuit number 2 is inside the living room. So you have the, ito nga, I'll zoom again. Circuit number 2, you have the shelves, glass shelves, cabinet or shelves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, or 8. Oh, 7 nga. 8 nga dapat eh. Actually, 8. It should be 8. Mali ang computation ko. Sablay, guys. Sablay ako. 8. This should be 8. Lighting outlet. I made a mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So, sorry, I was wrong. 8. So, it should be 800. 800. Then this should be higher. Then yung switch is, I use again, 3-gang switch, S3. This one, ABC. Okay, so A is yung center light, yung main light, general lights. Then 2 is yung diffuser, yung merong dimmer, yung dimmers. B is dimmers, and then C is, where is the C? This should be G. It should be G, not ABC. Where is C? Wala yung C, di ba? C is outside. Okay? This is, okay, but where is the GSG? See, wala eh. So I have, again, my one mistake again. So I need also one S1 here for the G. Tao lang guys, I also make error. Sir?
Sir, sir.
Sir. Hello? Sir?
Sir?
Sir? Naka-record pa rin yung meeting, pre. Oo, yata.
Francis.
Ano si Sir?
Hello? Hello guys, pasensya na. Sorry, ha? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes po.
Guys, pasensya na kasi nga yung CAD kanina, CAD
Sir, welcome back to your channel.
Oo. Sorry talaga, next time lesson learned. Masyadong mahal pala ang data ng ng naka 1080p. So wag niyo i-on yung camera. Lang one time lang pagka nag-attendance lang ako. Ha? Malakas ang data ng webcam, especially kung naka 1080 ka. No? So maganda ibaba niyo lang resolution mga 480 or 720, pwede na yan. Now, kanina, nagkad ako, imagine 3 hours. Ubus parehas ang data ko, nagtaka ko, ba't ang bilis? Pati cellphone ko, ubus, pati rin sa bahay ko, ubus. So, yun, next time tomorrow, pasensya na, so medyo clear naman ang explanation kanina.
Okay lang po, sir. Okay lang po.
Gets nyo naman, recorded naman siya, no? So, I'll turn off the recording na, ang tagal pa ng recording, oh. Wow. Okay, thank you for waiting, guys, I appreciate yung Now, yung lighting calculation, madali lang po yan, ha? Hiwalay, lighting lang. Concentrate ako sa calculation ng lighting lang. At pasensya na kayo, you need to learn this one, guys, ha? Importante ang lighting, ang calculation electrical, ha? Pagtsagaan nyo na, guys, kailangan yan. And imagine, hindi na lang magbabayad ng electrical kapag nagawa nyo yan. Diba? Okay, thank you so much for I'll stop the recording na and good night sa inyo. Kain na kayo, ha?
Ay, sir. Salamat po. Good night po.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Sir, bye-bye. Ingat po.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Salamat po.
Bye, sir. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Ingat po.
Bye-bye.